Today I will teach you that if you have any community or group in your WhatsApp, then when any picture or video is sent it is automatically downloaded and goes to the app gallery. I will tell you such settings in which you will turn it off and no picture of any kind will come inside your phone gallery until you save it. So first of all, open your WhatsApp, then open the chat. You have to click on the name of the chat at the top and go down a little. Then you will see the option of media visible. You have to click on it and it will be yes by default. You have to change it to no. After doing that, you have to press OK, and now none of any video or image in this group or this chat will come in your gallery.